In this age of AI, the future engineers will not be shaped inside the classrooms, but they will be developed in AI labs, robotic arenas, drone testing centers, innovation hubs, and industry-driven learning environments. At DBS Global University, the B.Tech experience is designed around the technologies that are transforming the modern world. The students can explore their specialized pathways from artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, quantum computing, robotics, drone technologies, next-gen technologies, full-stack development, and cloud computing. DBS Global University has collaborated with HCLTech for offering B.Tech in computer science and engineering with Dual Specialization, which is co-designed, co-delivered, and co-certified with HCLTech. The B.Tech program blends academic learning with industry immersions through live projects, internship, hackathons, the mentoring by the people from the industry, and the certification. One thing very important to mention here is that you will get an opportunity to work on their platform. They learn how to build intelligent systems, solve complex problems, and build the technologies that industry actually needs. Built for ambitious mind, this program is designed for future engineers to innovate, to adapt, and thrive in AI era. If you want to create a future in AI, I can assure you that there is no better place than DBS Global University.